how to turn on the accidental touch protection, or also known as pocket mode, on other Android phones. And this basically, if you keep pressing your display in a lock screen mode or accidentally touch it and try to unlock it, there's gonna be this little floating lock icon that you'll have to swipe up to unlock it. So if you want this feature on, here's where you can go to turn it on for Samsung phones with One UI 7.0. In the not so protective future, use the quick access like this here and tap on your settings toggle right up here at the top right. Once you tap here now, you'll see all these other options and you want to go down until you see display. And for some odd reason, it's in display settings. I don't know why. But anyways, go down some more and keep going down until you see the accidental touch protection. And that, my friends, is the accidental touch here. It won't work unless you have a secure lock screen set up already, and that's going to prevent unnecessary unlocking, which is going to save you a lot of trouble. Trust me on that. Like and sub.